Hi there, have you heard about Joindem.com? It's the best leading platform when it comes to completing tasks on your social media handle with your social media handle on your social media handle with your social media handle and getting paid. I'm repeating it because it's very simple, and that's what you're going to learn when you join this training, which is just 1,000 naira, and I'm going to teach you every single thing you have to know on how to use joindem.com to make money online with just your smartphone or your laptop. Anyone you choose is your choice. So all you have to do is to open a Joindem account and then start earning. But I'm going to give you the guidelines, what to do and what not to do, on how to earn from joindem.com. And the withdrawal is very simple. Every week you get paid. Every single week, every Monday you are receiving your alerts. Funny, right? Proof of payments on the screen, which I've been earning on joindem.com, and I'm going to withdraw this week too. So you have to join this training and start making money online with your own phone. Training fee is just 1,000 naira, and you can make up to 5,000, 10,000 per day. The amount of time you spend using your social media handle is the same time you're going to spend sharing and doing content on your social media handle, and you're going to get paid for watching funny videos, doing what you love the most. Simple as that. If you are good at affiliate marketing, join this training, because you're going to be making 500 for each person you refer to come and join them. So join this training and learn how to make money online with just your smartphone and internet connection, or your PC. Anyone, people from all around the world submit their content on joindem.com to go viral and get famous. So you can also submit your content. Link below. Join the training now. Thank you.